Right, look. She's got it down. No, Zena. Come over here. Sit. Sit. Okay. Put the food in her bowl. Put the food in her bowl. Good girl. You're so smart. You're so smart. Good girl, Mia.
Are you
feeding?
She loves to let her feed the dog.
She pulled it out and she laid it over
She did.
all by herself this time. She's getting so smart.
No, Zena.
No, Zena.
One little.
Here, Zena.
She'll take her over there and touch it and see.
Go put it in her bowl. Oh, good girl.
Sit, Zena.
Zena.
Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Zena. Stay.
Good job, Mia.
She's smart.
Yeah, go eat your food.
Good girl. Good girl, man.
Good job, Mia.
This will go on for a while. Zena, come over here.
Oh, now she's in front. Then you bit.
Sit. Good girl. Get some food.
Oh, she hardly ever makes it from the scoop to the bowl.
She can do it every now and then. Oh, good girl. Mine. Tell her mine.
Oh, hands.
Good girl, Mia.
Oh, to the scoop.
To the bowl.
Good girl, Mia.
No, Zena. Move, Zena.
Tina's like, I'm hungry. I'm not saying to take a while.
Oh, she got some on her hand, Grandpa.
Zena, get out of there, you bad.
There. Okay. Oh.
Get some food.
There you go.
Oh, she's going to put that, Grandpa. That's enough. Has Zena had enough?
Oh, good girl, Mia. Good girl.
Where's the top? Put the top on. Put the top on.
Good girl, Mia.
Girl. Thank you.
Oh,
Put
you're
it
so
back.
smart. Good girl, Mia. Good girl.
Look at that.